Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anuja. I am a Sri Lankan YouTuber. If you're a returning subscriber, you will notice that my backdrop is quite different, and it is because I have come to my parents' house for a holiday. So hence why the camera's different, the lighting's different, just everything's different. And I apologize for the lighting because when I was doing the makeup, you'll notice that it sort of goes like dark light, dark light. It's purely because today Wellington has become this moody, sunny, cloudy atmosphere, so I apologize, but I hope you find this helpful. Anyway, I just thought I would do a video close to my heart because it is a video on how to wear makeup if you wear glasses. Now, I have been wearing glasses since I was 8, I think, so quite a long time. And during that time, I've noticed that obviously some makeup work and some don't, some colors work, some don't. It just all depends on one, your personality, your mood, your, the frame. Are they thick? Are they thin? The color of your frames, just everything comes into play. And to my sister who will be watching, yes, I have stolen some of your makeup. I will put it back. I just needed it because obviously when I come on holiday, I don't bring all of my makeup. So I may have stolen some of your stuff. I pretty nearly stole a top of yours, but I didn't. Just use my own because I am nice like that. But I really had fun doing this. It's been one of the videos that I've been wanting to do, but just didn't get the time, or it just got missed in between. But here you go. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now I'm just gonna start off with a base of foundation on. You can pretty much use anything, to be honest. I just want to say one thing about foundation though. I like to put liquid foundation, and there are people who like to use stick foundations, powder foundations. I feel like when you're wearing glasses, you need a good base, and what I normally do with liquid foundation is use like a powder to set all of that liquid foundation on your skin, because as you know, if you wear glasses, you'd notice, like especially on the nose grips, it tends to smudge off. So this usually protects against that, or like reduces that smudging effect. So I'm just going to put a little bit of powder foundation on just to set everything, just like a little bit. It doesn't have to be too much, especially under the eyes and around your nose. One product, especially for glass wearers, is one of those like magnifying vanity mirrors. It's such a good buy because honestly, without glasses, I can't see much at all. So having that mirror is my best weapon. Obviously, because I'm not home, I'm just gonna use like one of these mirrors. Now, lots of people think that when you're behind those thick rimmed glasses that you can't see the under eye circles, but actually when you wear glasses, it does cast shadows under your eyes. So it's really important to use a good concealer. Now, the one that I have been loving recently is the Tarte Shape tape, and I use the color Tan Sand. So what you want to do is focus a lot on under eyes. And then just use like a beauty blender to blend everything in. Now the next important thing are your brows. Because most of our glasses sort of like sit between your eyebrows and your eyelid, your eyebrows are really noticeable. So it's really important to have a clean arch, just make everything look really smooth. So I'd recommend doing your eyebrows if you don't do them usually, because it just makes so much of a difference. I'm using a Brow by Benefit in the color 5. So this is all about enhancing your natural arch. It's not about creating, well, unless you have very limited hair. I'm going to use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit as well. It's always a trusty companion with the brow. The next thing I'm going to tackle is eyeshadow. Now whenever I wear makeup and wear my glasses, I try and use neutral colors. I mean, you don't want to overdo it because you're essentially wearing an accessory on your face. The only palette that I brought with me is the Naked Heat palette, so I'm just gonna use that, come up with something. Then I'm gonna go for low blow first anyway, and then just go for your crease and just blend the hell out of it. So hopefully you can see that I have got, you know, sort of brown earthy colors going on. Just in the inner corner, I'm gonna go with, is it Lumbre? I don't know how to say any of these names sometimes. I'm just like, just in the inner corner. One of the things that some people have found helpful is actually curling your eyelashes. As you know, I don't really like using them, so I'm just going to use my method. But having a good mascara and a good eyeliner, it honestly helps. What the curling up does is, you know how you wear glasses and sometimes your eyelashes sort of like graze on the glass if it's really, really close? So it sort of prevents that. When you're wearing glasses, especially thick rimmed ones, you don't want anything under here, so I go top heavy and I go with the eyeliner, I go with the mascara and put a little bit of mascara underneath, but I don't go with an eyeliner there. And if I do, it'll be a white eyeliner rather than a black one, just because you don't want two frames. You know what I mean? Like, you'll have the eyeliner framing your eyes and then you have your actual frames from your glasses, and it just looks a bit weird. So I am going to use Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner in Perversion. The next is applying the mascara on. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar X Fiber. There's two parts to it. One of them is sort of applying the gel, I guess. And then the second part is applying the fiber onto it. And then I do my weird curly thingy. Like I said, I usually go top heavy, so I just put a little bit on the lashes down here. The next thing that's important is doing your contouring and highlighting. I feel like this is such an important step because obviously you have your glasses on and you just want your bones to pop out. You want your cheekbones to just pop the hell out. The bronzer that I'm going to use is Hoola by Benefit. It comes with this brush that is sort of like that. So quite good and helpful when you're trying to sculpt out those bones. Just, you know, add as much or as little as you want. And don't forget your forehead and your jawline as well. Those are really important. The next thing is highlighting. Now, this is something that I've stolen off my sister's makeup collection. She's at work, so she has no idea, but she'll know because she's gonna watch this video. For my highlight, I'm using Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is called Skin Frost. There it is, you can read it. And it is like such a gorgeous highlight color, especially for brown skin. Like, you don't want the ashy rosy color. This is sort of like a bronzed goddess highlighting color. So just lightly do that. Like, you can see, that's so pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit on sort of my nose. And I'm going to use a little bit underneath my brows as well. Just to sort of like make it look really clean. In terms of lip color, be brave. Honestly, like, I usually go light on the eyeshadow but go crazy on the lip color. It can just be anything you want. It can be neutral, it can be bold, it can be dark, just anything. I have stolen this from my sister's collection, which is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. It just caught my eye because I'm such a like nude lip seeker, so my eyes get drawn to these ones really fast. The color of this is Walkery. So that's what the NARS looks like. I mean, it's quite nice, but I feel like I want something a little bit darker. So I went ahead and stole another one, which looks darker, and it's the Colourpop Lippie Stick in Poison. Oh, I think I'm happy with that. Really important to have a setting spray handy. I always use Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the travel size, so it's really handy. Give it a little shake and just go for it. So there it is, guys. Those are my basic makeup hacks or makeup tips on people who want to wear makeup and wear glasses. I have a few more like life hack videos that are planned for the future, so keep watching. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I do making them. And you know, if you have really good tips for people who wear glasses, let me know. I'm very open to those comments, ideas. I cannot believe it's like end of March already, but I hope you have a really good end of March, a really good start to April. Have an amazing week ahead, and I'll see you next time.